video, we are going to analyze how the horsepower of an engine changed the true airspeed of each airplane. Firstly, we're going to start with an airplane that has 150 of horsepower. It has a true airspeed of 125 miles per hour. Then, moving into the second airplane, it boasts a wingspan that is the same of the first one and 250 of horsepower. It reaches a true airspeed of 152 miles per hour. Then we are going to move to the third airplane, which has the same wingspan as the other two and a horsepower of 350. It can reach a true airspeed of 179 miles per hour. And we can, to sum up, we can state that the increased velocity of the third airplane is caused because of the existence of a higher horsepower on its engine, because it creates more thrust, and as a consequence, it creates a higher velocity.